Hello everybody, it's Mick from Bushcraft. On a recent video I did for my grab bag series, I was showing you the stove I'd made, a little tiny compact stove using a tuna tin and a pop can stove, a small pop can stove, but it didn't quite work as well as I'd hoped. So, and also the BCB cup I was using isn't going to be the cup that I would normally incorporate with the grab bag. So I wanted something for a cup and to boil the water in. So what I've done is I've come up with this. I'm just going to try it out and see what it's like, but I just want to go through it with you first. This is basically just a small bean tin. I've used the battery operated cutter to take the lid off so it doesn't leave any sharp edges, which is good. So that's my lid. I'll put a little screw or a bolt through there as a handle. I've got a little bottle there for keeping some meths in, and then in here is the little stove I've come up with, which basically is the same tuna tin as we had before. But what I've done, I'll just take the pop can stove, that's the pop can stove, a lot shorter than the usual ones. What I've done is I've drilled 4 holes in the bottom, as you can see, and I've drilled matching holes in the rim of the can there, which just fits in nice, and then I've fitted these bits of stiff wire to create a sort of fold out pot stand like that, so it packs away reasonably flat, and as you saw there, it just fits in the bottom of the tin, and then the pop can stove fits in there. So the idea is they fold out, they sit on there like that. I'm on a rug here, so it's not a very firm surface, and the pop can stove goes in there. There's quite a bit of clearance there. I think it was Foxy that said I needed about 1 inch clearance from the bottom of the stove, top of the stove to the can, so it's roughly that. And then the billy can will sit on top of there, and hopefully that'll work quite well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go outside and I'm just going to try this out, put a bit of meths in, and just try boiling some water up. Right, I'm going to try and get this done before it starts raining. It's just starting to spit. It's quite breezy today. There's quite a bit of wind, so I'm purposely not using any kind of windshield just to see how it performs. So I've literally just got that. Right. I'm using half a pint of water for the test. Okay, that's going. And that fills that can about 3/4. It's a good sized brew, is that? Keep Peter happy anyway. Put the lid on. It's starting to spit a bit more now, I don't know whether you can spot that. Let that bloom. Incidentally, this kit I've put together has cost me absolutely nothing. The tuna can, the bean can, the wire, the soda can, pop can, all been found in the bin. So if you're on a budget and you want to put a cheap kit together, and this might be worth a try. Right, I'm going to try putting the can on now. Okay. I don't think it was quite in blue, and that is really, the wind is really whipping round that. Right, we're going to leave that going and we'll see how long it takes. Right, we're nearly up to 6 minutes now. The meths is almost gone out, and the water is hot. It's just starting to bubble, just starting to get little bubbles around the can. This is without a windshield. Still a bit left yet. Like I say, it's quite a bit of, right, just gone out. That was 6 minutes 20. It's just gone out. And you can see the steam coming off the water there, and that is hot enough for a brew, definitely for coffee. And that was without a windshield, so I would say that's not too bad. What I'm also going to try using is some Esbit tablets in there as well, so I've got some dry fuel instead of carrying meths everywhere with me. But yeah, that was not a bad little test. That was quite good. So like I say, it ran for 6 minutes, and it brought the half a pint of water to hot enough temperature for drinking a warm brew. So quite pleased with that. Okay, let me know what you think, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.